Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Students, today I will tell you all about adjectives, that what are adjectives. So सबसे पहले आपको ये समझना होगा कि adjectives होते क्या हैं, adjective कहते किसे हैं. So look at here is a definition. Adjectives are words that describe noun. Adjectives वो words होते हैं जो कि noun को describe करते हैं. Like look at here. Here are four nouns. So noun, do you know what are noun? Nouns are naming words. Yes, noun are naming words, mean name of person, place, thing or an animal. So student, here are four nouns given in this picture. Girl, a house having a chimney and a smoke coming out from that chimney. A parrot is there, and from things, mop is there. So fast, warm, pretty and wet. These words are describing nouns, so these words are adjectives. So look at here. Full, empty. Here are two baskets. One is full, the other one is empty. So basket are noun and full and empty words are describing baskets, are describing nouns. So these words are adjectives. Big dinosaur, small dinosaur. So big and small words are describing nouns. So big and small words are adjectives. Tall boy, short girl. So boy and girls are noun, naming word, and tall and short are describing, these words are describing noun. So these words are adjectives. So same is the case with this picture. Sad girl, happy boy. Girl and boy are noun and sad and happy words are describing nouns. So these words are adjectives. An adjective is a word that tells you more about the noun. Mean adjective वो word होता है जो कि आपको noun के बारे में बताता है, which gives you all information about noun. And which type of information an adjective gives us? Look at here. कलर, साइज, साउंड, शेप, नंबर, टेस्ट, वेदर एंड टेक्सचर. मीन हमें एडजेक्टिव वो वर्ड होता है जो कि हमें नाउन की शेप के बारे में बताएगा, उसका कलर, टेस्ट, टेक्सचर, एवरीथिंग. दिस टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन गिव अस अबाउट नाउन एंड दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. जो वर्ड हमें इस टाइप की इंफॉर्मेशन नाउन के बारे में देगा उस वर्ड को हम एडजेक्टिव बोलेंगे. सो लुक एट हियर आर फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स, मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, few sentences are here, so you have to find adjective now. So look at here, the first sentence is look at that tall tree. So you have to find firstly noun is tree. Trees here are noun, and which word is describing tree? Tall. So tall word is an adjective. Hot soup tastes good. So soup is a noun and hot word is adjective. So same is the case with this sentence. My house has a red roof. Roof means छत. रूफ किसे कहते हैं? छत को. So look at here is a house having red roof. So roof is a noun and red word is describing roof. So red word is an adjective. So students, कुछ ऐसे भी sentences होते हैं जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा adjectives आते हैं. So look at here, in this sentence there are two adjectives. There are a lot of white fluffy clouds in the sky. So clouds is a noun and white and fluffy, both words are adjectives. So students, here is an exercise. So now come to the exercise, book page number 25. So now you have to underline the adjective. Firstly, read the definition. Adjectives tell us something about a noun. Yes, adjective हमें noun के बारे में बताते हैं. And tells us something. वो something क्या है? Mean every detail of noun, like the color of noun, shape of noun, texture of noun, sound of noun, quantity of noun, everything. This type of information give us about noun. That word is called adjective. So here is an example for you. The golden apple hung from the branch. So you have to find noun first of all. Apple. Apple is a noun. So which word is describing apple? Golden, mean apple is in golden color. So golden word is describing apple. So golden word is an adjective. So here is a question. Underline the adjective in these lines from the poem. And which poem is this? The poem is Playtime. This exercise is taken from your unit Playtime. So all these sentences are taken from the poem Playtime. The first sentence is the mad beast was asleep. So beast is a noun, naming word. So which word are describing noun? Mad and asleep. So these words are adjective. So underline these words. Next one is I crept past the twisted bushes. Bushes are noun and twisted word is describing bushes. So twisted word is an adjective. So underline twisted. Happily we munch on the big tasty apples. Apple is a noun and big and tasty both words are describing apple. So big and tasty both words are adjective. Underline both words. Here is one more question for you. Add suitable adjectives to the following. Use the letters given. The first one is an ई, लेटर ई, ब्लैंक मैंगो. स्टूडेंट इस एक्सरसाइज में आपने ऐसा वर्ड सर्च करना है और सिलेक्ट करना है जो कि ई से स्टार्ट होगा. मीन यहाँ पे आपको सब ब्लैंक से पहले एक लेटर गिवन है और अब आपने इन ब्लैंक्स में वही लेटर सेलेक्ट करना है और लिखना है जो कि इन्हीं लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा. मीन द फर्स्ट वन इज in first blank you will use a word, you will use an adjective which start with the letter E. So you have to find an adjective for mango. So which word you will use? An eatable mango. Next one is a cute kitten. Yes, cute word is started with C, C-U-T-E, cute kitten. And awesome actress, A-W-E-S-O-M-E. So awesome actress. A big ladder or brown ladder. Yes, you can write color also. A tall salesman. And ugly duckling, U-G-L-Y, ugly duckling. So like this you have to fill these blanks. So student, I hope you understand now all about adjectives. So here is a worksheet for you. So you have to solve this worksheet according to the given pictures. So it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.